Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to switch between keyboard languages on iPhone. So first, what you want to do is open up any messaging app or notes so that you could open up your keyboard. As you can see, the keyboard popped up, and just tap and hold on the emoji icon here at the bottom left corner, and this will pop up so you could either pick different emoji or keyboard languages that you have. You could also set the keyboard functionality like that, and you could also add some keyboard settings or keyboard languages just by tapping on the keyboard settings right there. Then go into keyboards right here and add new keyboard, and you could pick from different languages right here. Once you're done, let's say I want to add Filipino. When we go back to our notes app and tap on this, as you can see, I could go to Tagalog keyboard. And that's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because I have to reach more people. See you on the next one.